look, I'm Jake, this is Dom. We've not seen One Man, One Screwdriver yet, and we've heard it's pretty bad, so we're gonna check it out. This is a reaction video.
Good idea.
It's such a good idea.
Who does that?
Oh my god. That is a jar. It was a jar. Now it's part of his anus.
Oh no! No! It's... He's ripped it!
I would never do that to you.
Right.
That is bad. He's not gonna pee straight. No, no more.
Why? It's actually fountaining. It's like...
He's got blood everywhere.
Oh no. He's got cock blood on the floor.
Everywhere. Just some DIY you shouldn't attempt.
DIY. Don't do it yourself.
You took the word "go screw yourself" quite literally.
Oh, that was not cool.
That wasn't. I'm not happy with that.
No.
Don't ever watch that. I know you probably will. You're gonna be like.
Should we put a link in the comment box?
Yeah, we'll put it below so you can traumatize yourselves.